Hey everybody, this is Gary, the fist pump guy. Today I'm at a very busy highway up under an overpass, and I'm going to be fishing in these waters. But something happened here not long ago, and I want to bring your attention to it. You got to stay tuned to find out what it is. Before I get started fishing, right here where I'm sitting, they found a burned up car here not more than just a few months ago, and inside it were the remains of a woman. Now apparently the story is that the son killed his mom, came down here, burned her up, burned the car up. Now, and I just want to respect the fact that where we're sitting at, I mean no disrespect at all, but I wanted you to know the significance of this place. And you can see the burn marks, the burnt tires and stuff here. Very sad day. And a very evil matter happened here. However, I'm going to go ahead and go fishing here and see what we can find. Stay tuned. All right, we're going to get started here in a minute. Now, what I brought with me today, I brought my double-sided magnet here. I can't even remember what size this one is. I think it's 2400. Yeah, it's 1200 per side. Because my other one that I got recently is heavy. And I want to be able to throw this thing out there up under this bridge right there. I want to be able to get, as far out there as I can, and there's some rocks right here. Now, if you watched my last video, you know I got my magnet hung and really didn't have that productive of a day. But today I hope to have something a little bit better. I brought some shorts too, and my beach type shoes to make sure that if I have to go in the water, I'm gonna make it happen. Stay tuned. Before I do that, before I change into some shorts and my shoes, I'm gonna go over here a little bit because doesn't look like as many rocks right here. So I'm gonna toss this out here once or twice and see what we can come up with. Ready? If we get less rocks here, then I may just do this for a minute. It does look like it's a little deeper right there. Wasn't really sure what you'd find coming out here. I know they do some swimming and stuff here, but really not certain of what to find or what would be happening here as far as metal goes, because I know people swim a lot here. But when you're dragging this through the mud, basically, bound to stir up some stuff. Oh, I don't see anything yet. This mud. It's real slick here from the rain we got last night. I really want to get up under that bridge more, but let's see if I can do this a couple more times. Got splashed on that one. Hope y'all seeing and hearing this okay. So I'm kind of new at magnet fishing. Only been doing it for a couple weeks now. Trying to learn as I go
Hadn't really caught a whole lot. It's pretty tough when some of these areas around here, hard to get to. Some of the bridges you're scared to fish off of. This one I would never be able to fish off of. Just too much traffic. Nothing on that one yet. Got all kinds of mud in there though. I'm gonna have to find a way to get that cleaned out. Alright, let's throw one more time here, and then I'm gonna try to get out there in the middle of that water somewhere. I guess that's the bad part about these real heavy magnets, is when they go out there, they plummet into the mud, and it's soft out there today. I guess that rain last night softened it up a lot. A bunch of rocks right there. I can feel them. I don't like getting around rocks too much, but I'm gonna have to here in a second just to make sure I want to catch something while I'm out here. It's quite a drive from where I live to here, so I definitely want to make the most of it. All right, y'all give me a minute. I'm gonna go change, and we're gonna walk in the water. All right, in case you can't tell, I went and put on my slip-on boat shoes and some shorts. I'm gonna ease out there a little bit under that bridge, and hopefully we won't run in any snakes or critters or anything that's gonna be poisonous to any aspect. But I know it's gonna rain later. We're supposed to, so maybe if I get too dirty, I can get cleaned up before I get home tonight. All right, I'm gonna do my best to stay on these rocks, but I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't like this one bit. I don't like it one bit, because it's slick, and I really don't want to get soaking wet. But on the other hand, I do know that this thing keeps getting hung on the rocks, and it's making me mad. So I don't want to go through and not have another good day. I see something in the water right there. It's probably just a can. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a can. I'm gonna toss that over there, but it's not what we came here for today. So I get this thing unknotted. Maybe keep my camera from getting soaked. Let's toss it out there. Ready? Let's get one more out here. It looks like it might be a little deep right here. Let's see. I was really hoping to come out here and find some good stuff today, but it took me a while to get here because I was riding some back roads. There's still rocks right there, but at least it's not too bad. All right, let's toss this thing out here. We won't stir up any moccasins. I look around too, because maybe this splashing will scare the gators away, but we do have gators down in this neck of the woods, and they frequent these waters, but I'm not right now fishing for them, so I'm hoping that they won't come up. Well, they want to spill, but I got my magnet back, so man, tough day today. I don't know what those bubbles are coming up for. Hopefully it's just a rock settling and nothing else. No snapping turtles or anything like that coming up maybe. Come here, baby. Where you go? Hope y'all think this is funny, because I have a hard time at this, and I'm not the most coordinated person there is. I'm gonna tell you, I had to find somewhere under the bridge to go today, because heat index today will be in triple digits, and I'm already wore out and I've been in the shade. Really disappointed I hadn't pulled anything up yet. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm glad I put these shorts on. The second time I done fell in. Like I said, I hope I don't awaken anything. It's not too cold though. I'll tell you that. Feels good out here in this water. Alright, try this without falling down this time. Still trying to learn this camera, this action camera. It's not a GoPro. I keep calling it a GoPro, but it's not. It's like a GoPro. It has some high ratings. My brother-in-law got it for me. It's called a Picasso 4K Ultra HD. It has Wi-Fi capabilities. That's how I transfer the videos on my phone, because I do all my editing on my phone. But still learning it. Still trying to master this art that so far has somewhat eluded me. I decided I'd bring shorts today, extra shoes, and a towel. So I had to make sure I did that today. There's something right there. I don't know if that's something metal there, I think. Feels like it anyway. Can't tell. It's might be stuck under a rock. Or maybe it's just getting hung on a corner of a rock or something. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Ain't no telling what could be under these rocks. And if it's poisonous, I don't want to find out what it is. We're gonna slide down a little bit. See if I can get something on the other side. All right, so decided not to try to go down there because it's so soft I kept sinking. So what I'm gonna do, just to see if there's anything here, is to dip. I'm just gonna drop it and dip it here and see if I can find anything close to the bank, because I'm not actually seeing too much out there in the water. So soft here too. My goodness, really, really soft. Oh, caught a wooden stick. Unreal. Only catch of the day. Wood. Well, this is enough for this spot. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. Well, I guess that was quite uneventful, if you want to know the truth. Only thing I found was a can, a stick. I got muddy and I got wet. But, you know, I guess that's part of it, trying to find a good spot to magnet fish. One thing I did learn, though, this double-sided magnet, I don't know if y'all can see this, took a beating on those rocks. Now, this is the second time I've used this, but it hasn't gotten scratched up like that on any spot. So I know I was hitting some tough rocks out there. So you can imagine what it could do to your skin. But thank you for watching. Sorry I didn't really catch anything. Like I said, I'm trying out these new spots and trying to find a good spot to show you guys and girls. But, you know, it's trial and error. I'm still learning. I appreciate you watching, though. Don't forget to like, comment, share.
and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. I appreciate it. Follow the fist pump.